Marc Leader didn't just climb the business ladder, he built his own, starting with grit and vision. He began at Lehman Brothers, where he learned to spot hidden opportunities and master the mechanics of investment banking. This experience shaped his disciplined strategic approach. In 1995, Leader and Roger Krauss left secure jobs to launch Sun Capital Partners, betting on their ability to revive struggling companies, their focus operational turnarounds, finding value in businesses others overlooked. They targeted underperformers, not trendy startups, and made operational improvement their core strategy. Leader and Krauss carved out a niche in distressed investing, dedicating themselves to becoming the best at fixing broken companies. Their real value wasn't just capital, but hands-on expertise to rebuild from the inside out. This foundation of specialized knowledge and a contrarian mindset launched Sun Capital's rise. The lesson's success comes from a clear vision, deep expertise, and the courage to do what others won't. Leader's journey is proof that building something great starts with seeing potential where others see problems. Building Sun Capital was a grind, not a sprint. Leader and Krauss bought companies on the brink, fixed their core problems, and transformed them from the inside. Their secret? A relentless focus on operational improvement and a willingness to get hands-on. International expansion was key. Sun European partners brought their turnaround model to new markets, powered by local expertise. Each acquisition meant streamlining operations, cutting costs, and often bringing in new leadership. Leader's disciplined leadership kept the firm true to its mission: buy, fix, and grow. Their repeatable process turned Sun Capital into a value creation machine. By trusting local teams and adapting their playbook, they built a global powerhouse. The lesson scale comes from process, discipline, and empowering the right people. Sun Capital's rise shows that great businesses are built deal by deal with focus and execution. Leader's approach shines in the turnaround of Vince Holding Corp. When Vince faced debt and declining performance, Leader saw opportunity, not defeat. In January 2025, Sun Capital engineered a deal to erase $27 million in debt, giving Vince a fresh start. They didn't just fix the balance sheet, they brought in new leadership, appointing Brendan Hoffman as CEO. This combination of financial restructuring and management overhaul set Vince up for a comeback. Leader's strategy was hands-on: identify the real problem, design a solution, and install the right team. It's not about shuffling numbers, it's about rebuilding the business for long-term success. This proactive approach is what separates great investors from the rest. The Vince turnaround is a masterclass in unlocking value through smart restructuring. Strategy means little without results, and Leader delivers. After Vince's restructuring, its stock soared 160% in 6 months, reflecting real business improvements. Leader sold over 7 million shares at the right moment, netting $16.8 million while keeping a significant stake. This wasn't luck, it was a well-timed, disciplined exit. Sun Capital's model, buy, undervalued, fix, and exit, has generated billions for investors. Their European arm's ability to raise a €400 million fund proves their track record. The key operational improvements drive financial rewards. Leader's wealth comes from building better businesses, not speculation. The Vince deal shows that fixing fundamentals leads to sustainable financial wins. In business, fix the process first. The profits will follow. Leader's influence stretches far beyond a single company. At the center is Sun Capital Partners, his engine for acquiring and transforming businesses across sectors. Sun European Partners, which he helped build, stands as a leading turnaround investor in Europe. Even as leadership transitions, his legacy endures. Leader uses a network of holding companies and LLCs to manage assets and execute complex deals, like the Vince restructuring. These structures provide precision, control, and risk management. His public holdings, such as Vince, show he remains a major player even after big exits. Leader's web of influence is a masterclass in strategic control. It's not just about ownership, it's about building a flexible, powerful ecosystem. His portfolio reflects a strategist who shapes, not just owns, his investments. Leader's career is a playbook for entrepreneurs and investors. First, plan your exit as carefully as your entry. His Vince sale was timed and structured for maximum value. Second, strategic partnerships matter. Complex deals require the right allies, from legal teams to new management. Third, succession planning is crucial. Leader ensured Sun European partners would thrive beyond his tenure by empowering new leaders. Fourth, embrace a contrarian mindset. While others chased trends, Leader found value in distressed, overlooked businesses. Success comes from courage, discipline, and sticking to your unique thesis. Don't follow the herd, find your own path to value. Leader's approach proves that real opportunity often hides where others aren't looking. Build partnerships, plan for the future, and never lose sight of your process. The right strategy, executed well, creates lasting success. These lessons are universal for anyone aiming to build and grow a business. Marc Leader's legacy is more than wealth. It's a blueprint for building value. He proved that value is created, not just found, through hands-on operational improvement. Strategic foresight set him apart. He planned moves ahead, from European expansion to succession. Leader embraced complexity, using sophisticated structures to solve tough problems and unlock hidden value. His story shows that discipline, clear strategy, and calculated risk-taking are the foundation of real success. True wealth comes from building stronger businesses, not speculation. Leader's journey inspires anyone in business. With vision, process, and the right people, you can achieve lasting impact. His approach turns challenges into opportunities and complexity into advantage. The ultimate lesson: success is built, not bought. Marc Leader's mark on private equity is a testament to the power of strategy, execution, and relentless improvement.